सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ सुखं नित्यं स्वप्रकाशं व्यापकं नामरूपयोः अधिष्ठानं बुद्ध्यबोध्यं बुद्धेर्दृग्यत्तु निर्मलम् अपारं सर्ववेदान्तवेद्यं प्रत्यक्परं महः तदेवाहं नमतोऽन्यदिति मे निश्चिता मतिः। Vichara Sagara, 5th chapter, page 181, topic 292, third line. पृथिवी जलकार्यत्वात् जलस्वरूपा जलं तेजः कार्यत्वात् तेजस्वरूपम् तेजो वायुकार्यत्वात् वायुस्वरूपम् वायुराकाशकार्यत्वात् आकाशस्वरूपः आकाशस्तमोगुणप्रधानप्रकृतिकार्यत्वात् प्रकृतिस्वरूपः। Nischala talking about Laya Chintanam, Prapancha Laya Chintanam or Nididhyasanam or Brahmabhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam in the form of resolution. Resolving the anatma, the karyam into karanam. Because this layachintanam abhyasa is for a madhyamadhikari who is not able to falsify the universe as Guru is teaching, like an uttamadhikari. Adhyaropa apavada. For uttamadhikari, apavada is enough. Srishti is only for a madhyamadhikari. Upanishad negates the universe. Neha nanasti kinchana. Nothing is there, Jagat Mithya, but everyone cannot receive that easily. That world is unreal. It is not so easy for everyone. That is why, out of compassion, Guru is talking about this Laya Chintana Rupa Dhyanam, so that the student Madhyamadhikari can slowly, gradually grasp internalize the mithyatvam of this universe. Unless and until you falsify this universe, you give the satyatvam to the universe. As long as you give satyatvam to the body, mind, family, all people, real, they are not absolute real, they are only vyavaharically real. That jnanam is not there. This ajnani, madhyamadhikari, looks at the world, body, family, mind, etc. completely 100% real. So what? Let me see 100% real. If you see 100% real body, mind, family, members and the world, The problems arise out of this anatma, body, mind, complex family members world. You have to face the gradations and a lot of taratamya, disparities causing you the misery. Also you have to accept that we are not ready to accept. Therefore Shastra says, if you don't want to accept the pain caused by this anatma jagat, you have to falsify it for your own benefit. It is your choice. How to do that? It is given resolution. Resolution or dissolution or laya means here nothing but the whole world is karyam. Dissolve that karyam into karanam. Dissolving or resolving the products into their cause is nothing but products remain as it is. You need not break the pot. The pot you need not break. You resolve the pot into clay intellectually. Just intellectual, nothing else. Only understanding. Intellectually, there is no pot, only clay is there. It's called resolution. You have falsified the pot. As you looking at the pot, there is no pot other than clay. It's called resolution. What do you mean by resolution? Resolution is nothing but, laya is nothing but, laya means resolution, dissolution. That is nothing but looking at the karyam, the product, either ornaments are nothing but gold, cause, earthenwares are nothing but earth, prithvi, clay only. Then you understand this is called resolution. Pot is not there. When? At any time. Clay was there, clay is there, clay will be there. But then pot appearance time also, are you breaking the pot? Is it necessary to break the pot to resolve the pot into clay? You need not. Make use of the pot intelligently. You can hold water, you can hold milk, you can make use for like this for glass. Its purpose, utility you need not destroy. Intellectually you understand where is a pot. Pot is a name, namke vasti, vacharambhanam. It is only a clay in pot form. Clay in a different status. Pot status clay. Pot status clay. Like that. Like that, the entire universe you have to dissolve. The karyam you have to dissolve into karanam. You look at the whole world, whatever you are seeing, that you have to dissolve. How to dissolve? There is a method given in Shastra. You have to go to Shastra to resolve the Maya, Prakriti into Ishvara into Brahman. Only Shastra Pramanam. You cannot do otherwise. One short resolution is what? Apavada. For Uttamadhikari. For Madhyamadhikari, gradual resolution. Okay. Prithvi Jalakaryatvat. Prithvi is the product. Earth is a product. Of what? Jalam. Jalakaryatvat. Since earth is the product of the water, then water becomes what? Jalam, cause, karanam. Therefore, Prithvi is nothing but Jalaswarupa. It is nothing but water only. Pot is nothing but clay only. Ghataha Mrud Swarupa. Anartham. There is no ghata other than clay. Ade madri, here also It is jalam. That means Sukshma Prithvi is Sukshma Jalam. Then Jalam Tejaha Karyatvat. Where from this water has come? Whole world is made out of Panchabhutas. Therefore, resolve the Panchabhutas first, one into the other. Jalam, water, Tejaha, fire, Karyatvat. Water is the product of fire. Therefore, fire is called Karanam. Sukshma Jalam is resolved into Sukshma Agni. Sukshma Agni Swarupam. Then what about Tejaha? Agni also Vayu Karyatvat. It is a product of air principle. You have to remember that Taittiriya Upanishad. Tasmadva etasmad atmanah akasha sambhutah akashad vayu ragni agnirapah adbhyah prithvi. Now we are going backwards for resolution. For creation you are coming from Atma, Akasha, Vayu. Going reversal order means resolution sake. You have to Prithvi into Jalam, Jalam into fire, fire into air. Vayu Karyatvat. It is a product of Vayu. Therefore, fire is nothing but, subtle fire is nothing but subtle what? Air principle. Then air principle is called Karanam. Then that Karanam also Vayuhu Akasha Karyatva. Vayu is born out of Akasha. Akasha is the Karanam. Vayu is Karyam. Karyam cannot exist separate from Karanam. Karanam Akasha alone appearing as a Vayu. Therefore Vayu is nothing but Akasha. That is called resolution. This understanding is called resolution, laya. Vayu karyatvat, Vayuhu Akasha karyatvat, Akasha swarupaha. Vayu is nothing but Akasha swarupam, Sukshma Akasha. Then what about Akasha? Akashaha tamoguna pradhana prakriti karyatvat. The whole world is tamoguna pradhana. Satvaguna pradhana Ishvaraha, Rajoguna pradhana Jivaha, Tamoguna pradhana Jagat. So predominantly Ishvara is Sattvic. Predominantly Jiva is Rajasic. And predominantly Jagat is Tamasic. That is why Tamasaha. Akashaha tamoguna pradhana. Pradhana means dominant, prominently. Tamoguna of pradhanam, prakriti karyatvat. Akasha is the product of, karyam means product. Karyatvat, prakriti karyatvat. It is a product of prakriti. Prakriti swarupaha. Karyam Akasha is nothing but Prakriti, because it is the cause of Akasha. Akasha doesn't exist separate from the Prakriti. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now from here it is very very nice. He is going to talk about Maya, Prakriti. What are all names are there for Maya? Nearly 5-6 names are there for Maya, and each name he is explaining. Nowhere in any text we can find such an explanation to Maya. Now I will read that portion. Prakriti Mayayaha avastha visheshatvat Maya swarupa Ekameva vastu pradhanam prakritihi maya avidya ajnanam shaktihi ityaneka shabdaihi vyapadishyate tadeva vastu sakalamapi karyajatam swasmin upasamhrutya pralayakale udasina swarupena vartamanatvat pradhanamityuchyate. Tadeva vastu prapancha srushtyupadana upadanaya yogya tamoguna pradhana swarupena vidyamanatvat prakriti iti akhyayate. Up to here we will see now. Prakritihi Mayayaha avastha. Maya has got different statuses. Avastha means a state. Like a liquid form of water is water. Same water, if it is in solid form, that water is called ice. People love ice cream. I am eating ice cream. Different names for that ice cream. What is that ice cream? You put a lot of colors in that, sugar and little bit cashew, pista, something they put flavor. That's all. What we are eating ice cream is nothing but water. In a different state. Different state and avastha. Not in Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Telangana. Okay. State means avastha, status. Same water, if it is in gaseous form, it is called vapor. Same water, it is in bubble form, it is like a bubble, foam, like so many names. Like that, here also, one Maya has got different names because of its different functions. Functional names we can say. Very interesting. You want to write a notebook separately. Like this, some words of Vedantic terms, if you maintain a notebook, very interesting it is. For Maya, these are all names. In different places also we saw these names. In Vichara Sagara itself we saw. But here, he is giving the definition of that name. That is the uniqueness of Nischaladasa. Prakriti Mayayaha avastha. Prakriti is nothing but it is an avastha of Maya. Visheshatvat, avastha visheshatvat. It is a status, unique status for that Maya Swarupa. Prakriti is of the nature of Maya. Prakriti is another name. Prakarshena, given in the footnote, you can see pra sakalamidam jagat yasmat prakarshena kriyate tadrisham srishtyupadana bhutam vastu prakritihi ityuchyate. In Tippani, footnote, you can see the whole world prakarshena kriyate, beautifully done by this prakriti, tadrisham, srishti upadana bhutam. It is the material cause of this universe. That is why it is called prakriti. Prakarshena kriti yogyaha prakriti also we can say. It is pliable, like a clay is pliable into different earthenwares. Similarly, this prakriti, which is pliable, can be shaped into many names and forms. And he gives another definition also. Pra means sattva guna, kru means rajoguna, ti means sattva rajas sahita tamo guna uchyate, tadha tamo guna pradhana prakriti. That is in the Tippani. Extra information. Okay. This prakriti, one meaning of Maya, ekameva vastu. So Maya is nothing but prakriti. Why it has got name prakriti? Because it can be pliable. It can be transformed into many ways. That is why Maya has got the name prakriti. Why? Because it is pliable. Pliable means converted into many forms. Another definition Maya is given. Yama sa Maya. Yama, what is not there, that is Maya. This is not given by Panini grammatically, but philosophically we give this definition, Yama Samaya. Now, this Prakriti is known as Ekameva Vastu. This Maya is known as Pradhanam, number 1. Prakritihi, number 2. Maya, number 3. Avidya, number 4. Ajnanam, number 5. Shaktihi, number 6. Totally 6 names for Maya. And include Maya also, totally 7. Anatma ki 7 names. What are the 7? Maya, Pradhanam, Prakritihi, Maya, totally for Ekameva Vastu, one Anatma, Pradhanam, Prakritihi, Maya, Avidya, Ajnanam, Shaktihi. 6 names totally. Iti Aneka Shabdaihi, by so many words, Vepadishyate, it is known by, called by so many names. Now, one by one he is giving. First one, Pradhanam. Number 1. Tadeva Vastu Sakalamapi Karya Jatam. One Vastu, one entity, Sakalamapi, entire product, Karya Jatam. It's like unmanifest energy. Unmanifest energy, the manifest energy is matter. Unmanifest matter is called energy. Like that. Pradhanamiti uchyat. Sakalamapi karya jatam. All products in the world. Swasmin upahritya. Into its fold. It takes into its fold. Swasmin upasamhritya. Withdrawing into its own fold. When Pralaya Kale, at the time of dissolution, Udasina Swarupena, it remains as non-functional. That means Guna Samyavastha. Guna Vaishamyam is turbulence in Gunas alone is Srishti, and equilibrium in Gunas, Guna Samyavastha is Pralaya. So, non-functional. Udasina Swarupena, in the form of non-functional status. Vartamanatvat Pradhanamiti uchyate. It remains in that state, Bija Swarupena, Bija Rupena, potentially. Pradhanamiti uchyate, it is called as Pradhanam. This is the definition number 1 for the name Pradhanam of this Anatma entity. Pradhadhatu, pra upasarga purvaka, dhadhatu, third conjugation, ubhayapadi. Pradhiyate, sarvakaryam, sarvakarya jatam asmin iti pradhanam, into which all the karya jatam ka group, jatam means group of all products kept inside, that is called pradhanam. So this definition we don't find in any book, he only gives here. Number 1 over. Now the next one is what? Prakriti. What do you mean by Prakriti? Tadeva Vastu, same Anatma entity, Vastu, Prapancha Srushti Upadana Yogya. Prapancha Srushti means for the creation of this universe. Prapancha means universe, Srushti means creation, Upadana means material, Upadana Yogyaha, prepared for evolution. Yogyaha means prepared for evolution. Prapancha Srushti Upadana. For the sake of this creation of this universe, when it is ready as a material cause, like Shankaracharya gives, when the seed you put in the water, it bloats. Bloats means readiness to sprout. Readiness to sprout. It bulges. For a few hours you soak that, any seed, either kadal or pachapair or any seed, batani or anything, it bloats, first bloating. Then what? Ready to create, become a plant. Like that, this is also here, yogyaha means that bloating like condition. It is qualified for germination. It is ready for germinating. That status is called here upadana yogyaha, preparedness for evolution. Tamoguna pradhana swarupena, it is predominantly tamasic, tamoguna pradhanam. Vidyamanatvat, since it is staying as tamoguna pradhana, ready for, qualified, eligible for creation as the material cause, it is called prakritihi iti akhyayate. It is called prakritihi. It is called prakritihi. Seed expansion. In that state, condition, it is called prakritihi. Seed bloating condition, eppadiyo appadi, prakriti is the readiness condition, is ready for that. In Mundakopanishad sa tapasa chiyate brahma tato annam jayate nar. Chiyate brahma annam, nanartham, that consciousness reflecting in Maya is called Ishvara. That is tapasa chiyate brahma. So slowly that creation, yogyaha, that is called prakritihi. Then Maya has to merge into Pratibimba Chaitanyam, into Ishvara, that is into Ishvara, into Turiya, Tritiya Pada Ishvara. Maya Pratibimba Chaitanyam is Ishvara. Maya Pratibimba Chaitanyam is Ishvara. Ishvara is nothing but Maya Pratibimba Chaitanyam. Consciousness reflecting in that Maya is known as Ishvara. Resolve into Brahman, Turiyam, finally. See, in modern cosmology also go up to singularity, Big Bang. More than that, they cannot talk about the resolution. We go beyond that. Time, space, desha, kala, all the moment reflected consciousness happen in the Maya, desha, kala comes. The desha, kala also comes. Therefore, several synonym names have several meanings here. Next one. Prakriti over, Pradhanam over. Then Desha Kaladi, from here we will read. After Prakriti, what is that? Maya. Now what do you mean by Maya? Desha Kaladi Samagrim Vina eva Indrajalena Durghatananika Padarthotpadana Kale Indrajalam Maya iti Vyapadishyate. One paakalam. Okay, very interesting. What do you mean by Maya? This is one name make every seeker always vague. Maya. Enna Maya? What is Maya? Now here he gives the meaning. Desha, Kala. Desha means space, Kala means time. Maya definition this is. Desha Kala Adi. Maya Kalpita Desha Kala Kalana Vaichitra Chitri Kritam. Desha Kala comes, then objects Adipadat. Desha Kala Adi Samagri. All Samagri means what are all required for objects, what its products, its content, everything. All those Vina Eva Indrajalena. Like a magician, and magician without having any object, he created so many things. Indrajalena. Vina Samagrim Vina, without any products. Normally you want to cook, you want to prepare, you have to bring samagri, you have to go to provision shop and vegetable shop. Fruit salad, if you want to do, you have to go to fruit shop and get all the every content, and you have to prepare. But you can see the magic show even anywhere. You can see in Google also, you can search YouTube, you search any magic show without having anything, just they create. Samagrim Vina. Maya is that without any samagri. Vina means without. Samagri means without any provisions. Vina. Indrajalena, like an Indrajala, magician create. What this Maya does? Durghatana. And Ghatana means happening. Durghatana means which is not possible to happen. Durghatana means that it is difficult to happen. Not easy to happen, but Durghatana Padartha Utpadana Kale. It is, that's why Aghatita Ghatana Patiyasi Maya we say. That Maya is that which makes the impossible as possible. Rope appearing as snake, impossible, but it is making to appear. Shell silver appearing. Like that marriage water appearing. Earth is stationary, appearing. Maya only, this is optical illusion. Okay. Padartha Utpadana Kale, at the time of creation. Indrajalam, it is like a Indrajalam. Maya iti Vyapadishyat, it is known as Maya. That which is happening, which is difficult to happen, but it happens. That is Aghatita Ghatana, Durghatana Padartha Utpadana Kale. To create the Padartha. We know so many examples. Maya iti Vyapadishyate. So third one is over. Then Durghatana means normally not possible. Normally not possible doing the Desha, Kala, all these are not possible. Even Desha, Kala are created by Maya. What is the time when we are seeing into watch? Maya only. Time, Desha, space, where belongs to Maya. When belongs to Maya. Okay. Desha, Kala, Adipadate, what? When, where you ask, what? When that is going to happen? What? When and what question will come? Again, where? What? What you are asking, where? Where it is? Where that is? When it will come? All these when, where, Akanksha will be there. So that is Maya. Next one, third one is over. Tadvadeva asange advitiye brahmani durghatecha dyupadakatvat tadeva vastu mayeti bhanyate. One more sentence also is there for Maya. Let me complete this. Tadvadeva, similarly. Similarly, Maya Asange Advitiye Brahmani. Just as a snake is superimposed upon the rope, similarly, that example is not given, just I am telling. Asange, that Brahma which is Asanga, not having any attachment with anything, unassociated with anything. There is no sambandha, karyakarana sambandha rahita. No? Asange advitiye, non-dual, brahmani. That is nimitta karana. Brahmani durghatana, durghate, ichha ichhadi upadakatvat. Durghate ichhadi upadakatvat. Desire, it generate. So there is the coordinator of time. Space is the coordinator of space, we have to say, because there are no two spaces, there are no two times. Time is one only. So who is coordinating with the time? Not time alone is coordinating with the time. Who is coordinating with the space? And space alone is coordinating with the space. Time and space. Who is the coordinator? Swayam coordinators. Otherwise, anavastha dosha will come. One space is coordinated by another space. First, second space by third space. You cannot say like that. So the time and space, both are mithya. Both are mithya. Therefore, Ichha it generates in Brahman, Asanga Brahman, so Kamayata, that desire comes in Brahman, made by whom? Akarane Brahmani, Karana Ichha. No? Akarane Brahmani, Advitiya Brahmani, Sadvitiyatvam. Brahman is Advitiya, non-dual, but Maya is that making Brahman as so many. Sadvitiyam, Akarane Brahmani, Karanatvam, Advitiya Brahmani, Sadvitiyatvam. Happening because of whom? Because of Maya. So, Maya. Prakriti does the impossible as possible. Maya, after Prakriti definition, now Maya definition, he says that what makes that impossible possible. Prakriti ki Maya ki difference, you see, Prakriti cannot do. It is Kriti Yogya. It is eligible for next formation, next manifestation. But Maya is not like that. Silver is not possible on shell, but silver appearing. Snake is not possible on the rope, but snake is appearing. Marriage water is not possible on the sand, but appearing. That is called Maya. Durghatecha. Adipadat, different, raga, desha, kama, krodha, all these are happening, no? In Asanga Brahmani, Satvitiya Brahma, like that. Alkuratma, every Brahman in different forms, and very, very beautiful, like a joke, really speaking. Brahma, the Atma reflecting in the mind, that everything desire, kadaya, cinema, serial, politics, economics, what not, everything is happening, whole world is what taken cinema, drama, like utpadakatvena, sorry, printing is not clear. Durghatechadi utpadakatvena, ichha, desha, sukham, dukkham, sanghataschetana, dhritihi, all of them. Utpadakatvena. It is utpadakaha. It is creating in Brahman. Because after taking Chaitanyam, that is what reflected consciousness in Maya. What is reflected consciousness but nothing but Brahman? Brahman is reflecting Maya. Once it reflects Maya, Ishvara. Ishvara is what desires of creating. Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. Panna, creation anna. Edukappa anna. Chumma velayatana. Sport. So what? Chumma ukkandu bore edikkiradana. So I feel bored. Let me create anna. Brahman reflecting in Maya, and Maya Sayitam, Brahma, Ishvara started giving karma phalam to the jivas. Okay. Therefore, Vastu Maya iti bhanyate. Consider. Bhanyate means considered as Maya. 3 over. Now, next one. Tadeva Vastu Brahmaswarupavarakatvat Ajnanamiti kirtyate. Tadeva Vastu Brahmavidya vinashatvat avidyeti varnyate. Tadeva Vastu kadapi swatantrena anavasthitam sat Brahma chaitanyam ashrayatyeva vartamanatvat shaktiriti cha upadishyate. Sorry, vyapadishyate. Other 3 we will see now. Tadeva, the same Prakriti Pradhanam Maya, what we are talking, same thing, got another name. There is no second thing, only one entity. Tadeva Vastu. Same entity. Here a subtle difference he is making between Ajnanam and Avidya. So, Brahma Swarupa Avarakatvat. It is concealing the Brahman as it were. It cannot conceal really, as it were. Brahma Ava Swarupam. See, I am Brahman. Concealed or not, going to Guru and studying for so many years and Upanishad Vakyam he has to listen. That Upanishad has to say you are Brahman. What is the necessity? Having entered that, having given the reflection to this matter, matita means hooked and booked. Struggling to get Brahma Gnana Moksha. So many words, so Upanishad has to talk so much. Allah me bluff and really speaking, ni Brahman da anna puriya maatingirade. How will understand you are Brahman anna? Namak Brahmani solluduva. They say you have Brahma, go anna. Therefore Upanishad knows these people having lot of dense ignorance. Therefore let me come down to their level. How it happens, whole delusion. Adida idella katha sollano. Brahmaswarupa avarakam. It conceals the Brahman. Brahman is anantam. This hand cannot cover. It is very small one. How it can cover a big book? It cannot cover. As though covering. Even the Anantam Brahma, because of this Maya, Prakriti, Pradhanam, as though dilute, covering. Avarakatvat. Ajnanamiti kirtyate. It is called ignorance. Any ignorance, it's like a darkness. What do you mean by darkness? Darkness is nothing but that which conceals the object and makes that object not to be known. You cannot know. Darkness is that because of which you cannot know the object as it is. That is called darkness. You have ajnanam of that object. You have ignorance of that object because of darkness. So darkness is called concealing, concealer. Similarly, Maya is that ekameva vastu. It is called Ajnanam because it keeps you in ignorance. Ignorance of what? Brahman. Brahman, out of compassion, gave reflected consciousness to this Maya. And what this Maya does, after taking that Chidabhasa from Brahman, this Maya covers the Brahman. என்ன பண்றது பாருங்க, how mischievous it is, how people are cheating in the world. என்ன நமக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது. After cheated by others, we come to know, my God, how can I was cheated by this person. That knack, very knack. The cheating people are very, very knack, very smart also they are. And they cheat you very easily. You do not know they are cheating you, and you go on and on believing them. Like this, Brahman also believed Maya and gave reflected consciousness over Ishvara. It is Ishvara avarana illa, but Jivas have got avarana. Ishvara doesn't have. Jivas are having. So, Maya Sahitam Brahma. அதே மாதிரி ஹியர் அஜ்ஞானமிதி பிரம்மரூப ஆவரகத்வாத் பிரம்மஸ்வரூபம். ஐ டு நாட் நோ ஐ எம் பிரம்மன். இஸ் இட் நாட் அஜ்ஞானம்? இஸ் இட் நாட் ஆவரண? கிளாஸ் மேலே கிளாஸ், இயர்ஸ், வீக்ஸ், மந்த்ஸ், இயர்ஸ், டிகேட்ஸ் சொன்னால் கூட யூ ஆர் பிரம்மன், யூ ஆர் பிரம்மன் சுவாமினி, நானா பிரம்மன். எனக்கு எத்தனை கம்ப்ளைண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கா, எத்தனை ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கா? அரே கம்ப்ளைண்ட்ஸ் ஆல் ஆர் இன் பாடி மைண்ட் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ்ன்னு சொன்னான்னு நீங்கள் சொல்கிறீங்க சுவாமினி. யூ ஆர் டெல்லிங், பட் இட்ஸ் டிஃபிகல்ட்னா. So powerful. Gurus, they are all go on and on non-stop teaching. What to do? That much time it takes to come out of this body identity. You are Brahman. Body, mano, buddhi, ahankara, chittani, naham. It is a matter, dead matter. You are making the body sentient. You are making the mind sentient. You, the Brahman. In everybody, in every body, I am Brahman. Enge Swamini, eppadi enna? எங்கே பார்த்தாலும் ப்ராப்ளம். அதான், because you are seeing Abrahma has Abrahma, that's why Brahma has come. நல்லா இருக்க? Because you are thinking you are Abrahman, not Brahman, therefore Brahma comes naturally. அப்போ மாயா என்னன்னா பண்ணுவா? Maya can dance like anything, making you turbulent. Like this is called Ajnanam. It covers the Brahman as it were. Iti kirtyate. It is called kirtyate means not kirtanam pandrathe. Kirtyate means it is said as. This is the fourth meaning. Okay, what Ajnanam is the fourth meaning. Then fifth meaning, Tadeva vastu, same entity, which we call as Pradhanam, which we call as Prakriti, which we call as Maya, which we call as Ajnanam, same entity, Brahma Vidya Vinashyatvat. Brahma Vidya, when Brahma Jnanam comes, this can be destroyed. Brahma Vidya Vinashyatvat, that because of which Ajnanam goes away. Brahma Vidya, we are all working for that only, no? Guru is telling, get Brahma Vidya, Brahma Vidya, Brahma Jnanam. Once Brahma Jnanam comes, Brahma Avarana goes away, Ajnanam goes away. Vinashyatvat avidya iti varnyate. Jnananantaram. Okay. Brahma Vidya means Jnananantaram. What do you mean by avidya? Jnananantaram na vidyate iti avidya. Definition of avidya. Jnananantaram, after self-knowledge. Na vidyate, ignorance that which does not exist. Na vidyate, because ajnanam we have, avaranattvada ajnanam we said. So that ajnanam of Brahma Swarupa Avaranam goes away by Brahma Jnanam. Therefore, it is called avidya. Jnananantaram na vidyate. Here, vid dhatu, not second conjugation, but fourth conjugation, 4a. Vid vidyate. Not second conjugation, but fourth conjugation. Vidyate, atmanipada. Okay. Tadeva vastu kadachit avidya iti varnyate. It is called avidya. Na vidyate. Brahma jnananantaram na vidyate. Therefore, it is called Maya is called avidya. Maya is called ajnanam. Maya is called pradhanam. Maya is called prakriti. Aha. என்ன எத்தனை பேர் பாருங்க. அப்போ பிரம்மனுக்கு ஒரே பேர். Okay. Now 5 names over. Then 6th name. What is that? Tadeva vastu kadapi swatantrena anavasthitam. Same entity which is not independently existing. Swatantrena, independently. Anavasthitam, not existing. Being non-existent independently. Brahma Chaitanyashritya eva. It is dependently existing, borrowing the existence from Brahman. Brahma Chaitanyam. Brahma Chaitanya means Brahman which is consciousness. Brahma Chaitanyam ashritya, dependently existing. It is not independent but dependent. Dependently existing. That Brahma Chaitanya ashritya eva. It cannot exist even a second, fraction of second separately. Vartamanatvat, since it is staying with Brahman, Shaktaha, powerful, one is that who is having power, Maya Shakti. Vartamanatvat Shaktihi iti cha vyapadishyate. Gauna prayogaha, Shaktihi. Shaktihi here, Gauna prayogaha means paratantra guna samyatvat gaunam. Paratantra guna samanyat. Paratantra, it is dependently existing. Shakti is that is always with Shaktaha. Speech power, speaking power exists with whom? Speaker. I, the speaker, am having speaking power. Correct? Singing power, drawing power, walking power. All this Shakti is where with me. So the power cannot exist separate from the powerful. Shaktaha. Brahman is Shaktaha. Shiva Shaktya yukto yadi bhavat. Shaktaha Shaktihi. Shaktihi iti cha vyapadishyate. Next. All these words over. That's why in Kashmir Shaivism, Shakti Shaktat Abhinna. Power is non-different from powerful, or Shakti Shaktam Asritya Vartate. Maya Shakti. Kashmir Shaivism, Shakti is real as Brahman. For Kashmir Shaivism. In Kashmir Shaivam and your Shaivam. So there, say Lakshmi is the Shakti, Parvati is the Shakti, Saraswati is the Shakti. So Brahma Shaktim, Brahma Shaktam Ashritya Vartate yat tat Shaktihi iti uchyate. That is Shaktihi. Chittam is Brahman. Shakti is Ichha Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Ennamu Shakti irukkalliyo adellame. That is called Shakti. Then Itham Prakrityadaya Pradhanasya Avastha Visheshatvat Pradhanaswarupa eva bhavanti Taccha Pradhanam Brahma Chaitanyasya Shakti Tadha Purushagata Samarthya Rupa Shakti Purushat Pruthaktaya Nasti Tasya Brahma Chaitanya Gata Pradhana Rupa Shaktirapi Brahma Chaitanya Vyatirekena Nasti Itham Brahma Chaitanye Sakala Anatma Padarthanam Laya Chintaniyah. Up to here I will explain. Itham, in this manner, Prakrityadayaha, Adipadat, Pradhana, Maya, Ajnanam, Avidya, Shakti, etc., etc. Pradhanasya avasthaha. They are all different states of Pradhanam. Avasthaha. Visheshatvat. So many names are there, different functions of different statuses. Pradhana Swarupa eva bhavanti. They are all nothing but different functions of Pradhanam only. Tacha Pradhanam, that Pradhanam is another name of Maya, Pradhanam, Prakriti. Brahma Chaitanyasya Shakti. This is Pradhanam alone is called the power of Brahma Chaitanyam. Who is that Brahma Chaitanyam? Nanda, Laksharda Aham. Yatha, just as. Example, how this Shakti is power of Brahma Chaitanyam, just as Purushagata Samarthya Rupa Shakti. In a person, there is Shakti, walking power, talking power, eating power, blinking power, drinking power, singing power. All power is there. Samarthyam. Samarthya Rupam Shakti. Romba capable, powerful, capable. Purushat Pruthaktaya Nasti. That power of speaking is not different from that speaker person. Singing power is not different from the singer. Pruthaktaya means separately. Nasti, not there. Tadha, similarly. Simple to understand. Brahma Chaitanya Gata. Similarly, that which is in Brahma Chaitanyam, that Shakti, Pradhana Rupa Shakti, which is known as Pradhanam also. In the footnote you can see how much he has given. So many he has given descriptions. Pradhana Rupa Shakti api. That Pradhanam which is known as Shakti, which is not separate from the Brahma Chaitanyam, Brahma Chaitanya Vyatirekena Nasti. It cannot exist separate from the Brahman. Can your shadow exist separate from you? No. So you exist, then only shadow can exist. Itham. In this manner, Brahma Chaitanya, in Brahman, Sakala Anatma Padarthanam, all Anatma, Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Jalam, Prithvi, Maya, Prakriti, what you call Shakti, Avidya, Ajnanam, all of them you have to dissolve into Brahman. Brahma Chaitanya, Sakala Anatma, including body, mind, complex also. Laya Chintaniyaha, may you resolve all karyams, resolve into the ultimate Karanam, that is Turiyam, which is not Karanam at all. It's okay, that is Laya Chintanam, resolution. more in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.